Gainesville isn't a city that shows off. It opens up slow, one street, one patch of shade, one bad parking situation at a time. You can't figure this place out from a car. You gotta feel the humidity, hear the scooters, and let the noise settle around you. Today we're doing it the simple way. The campus, downtown, Celebration Pointe, and the green corners that sneak up on you when you least expect it. No hype, no rush, just Gainesville, the way it actually feels on foot. You know guys, UF hits the second you step on the campus. Scooters zooming around like everybody's late for a test. Now the Stadium Road area is the heartbeat of the campus. All right, as we keep walking, we're coming up on one of the most beautiful spots on campus, the University Auditorium. This place is seriously impressive. It's just not a performance hall, it's a little piece of history. Plus, the auditorium sits right next to the Century Tower, now their famous landmark that rings out bells throughout the day. So even if you're not inside, you'll hear the music in the air. Speaking of the Century Tower, it's hard to miss this landmark. It rises up over 150 feet into the sky and is one of UF's most iconic structures. As we move along, guys, we're stepping into the heart of student life, Turlington Plaza. Place is always happening, whether you're just passing through between classes or just want to take a break. There's always something going on here. And then you hit the stadium, known as the Swamp. It's got its Heisman statues. The mascot officially is known as Albert, and he's a lovely alligator. Walk a few blocks east and the city changes personality again. You're now in downtown Gainesville. The Bo Diddley Plaza blasts music into the air. The courthouse sits under its clock tower, quietly judging everyone. Murals jump out of the alleys like surprise guests. The Hippodrome glows with vintage theater charm. The arcade bar, one of my favorites, hums with neon nostalgia. And the sidewalks, they fill with students, locals, and people who are just here to see how the night plays out. Downtown's not polished, but it's honest and weird in all the right ways. Hey guys, heading west, and this is where Gainesville starts to iron out the wrinkles. Welcome to Celebration Pointe. Wide sidewalks, bright storefronts, and that suburban date night charm. Outlets, brand names, coffee shops, even a movie theater. Everything arranged like somebody wanted you to have an easy, fun evening. Now people stroll instead of rush, families wander, couples drift under the lights. It's Gainesville's easy button. Clean, simple, and zero chaos. Then, out of nowhere, Gainesville goes quiet. Drop into the Alfred A. Ring Park and the city disappears. Boardwalks follows the Hogtown Creek. Light filters through the trees. The air cools just enough to make you forget you're still in town. Drive a little farther and San Velasco opens wide. Long trails, rolling pines, the silence so crisp you start hearing your own thoughts again. This is the Gainesville most people miss. Green, calm, always closer than it looks on the map. Let's keep going, guys. So that's Gainesville. Campus chaos, downtown grit, suburban smoothness, and a whole lot of quiet hiding around the edges. It's not a city that shouts for attention, but if you slow down long enough to walk it, it's got plenty more to say.